US. When you talk to your clients, what do they want or need to see from DC to put money to work?
I think clarity. It's interesting. We came into the year with great enthusiasm from a business standpoint, thinking that there would be a regime in DC that would have tax reform, that would likely lower corporate tax rates and have some element of cash repatriation for the U.S. companies, which would give them more capital to deploy in M&A and to grow their businesses, and a general view that there would be a much more friendly regulatory regime. So you thought you had all the conditions ready for a pretty robust M&A environment, in particular in 2017. And what companies have been waiting for is clarity. And so as the year has gone on and it's been more and more muddled, people have become frustrated in the deals that they might have put on hold, because it's hard to think about selling a business if you don't know if that business is going to earn money at 35% or 28% or 25%, and you don't know what kind of taxes you're going to pay on the proceeds, and you don't know whether you can use your offshore cash. So for a while, people were just waiting, and I think the mindset has now got to the point of frustration and being prepared to move on and get back to business. And so while I think they'd love some clarity, most CEOs and most boards are a little bit tired of waiting for it and are kind of getting back to business as usual.
Is the action going to be more on the buy or sell side?
I think it's going to be more on the buy side. Ultimately, it's driven by the need for people to deploy capital to find growth. The valuations in the market are reasonably high, and so you've really got to find the right strategic transaction and be able to fund it in a way that's going to be accretive to your overall business. And I think that has to be driven by the buyer more than the seller.